Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect TapSwap with your Ton wallet. Uh, it's now not available for me, but it will be available in some time. Once you have opened up your TapSwap, you want to go ahead to your tasks option. And from here at the top, you can see Cinema, Special, and Leagues. So on Special, you will see that you can join Ton, basically connect Ton wallet, and then you will get some coins for that. For now, it's not available for me. Maybe it is already for you. Once it will launch, you will see it. Also, there's on the boost option. You will also see it here. And on the boosters option, you may see it here also to join a Ton and connect your Ton wallet with TapSwap. And yeah, that's basically it. If this video was informational and helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.